Welcome back to the Dividend Diplomats YouTube channel, guys. You've got Bert, the Hurt, and Lanny, the DD. Get your coffee because it's bright and early here on a Monday morning because it's the Dividend Diplomats Quick Pick Stock Pick where we'll mention two stocks that we are watching this week.
That's right. Before we do, smash that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's freaking go, everybody. It's all about getting our money into the market and growing that passive income stream. For the last few months, we've been pushing out these Monday stock picks where we do research over the weekend and each come up with one stock that we're keeping our eyes on over the next 5 days. Lanny, you want to kick this party off in style?
I'll kick this shindig doggy style, road dog Jesse James. No, I'm kidding, guys. Yes, let's kick it off, guys. A stock that I've been mentioning quite a bit here on the channel, stock that I've occasionally been tweeting. I've been talking and looking at Shell, ticker symbol SHEL, one of the big energy / oil giants out there, guys, currently trading at $64.08. The reason why I like the stock right now, and I kind of am looking at the industry in general, because my wife actually owns Exxon, is that energy has kind of been beaten down a little bit in 2023, even though Shell stock price actually is up 14% this year, still lags the market. But if you look at, probably Exxon and Chevron, you might see that they're down this year because, the forward outlook right now is that they're trying to keep the price down right now at the pump, which usually punishes the profits of the big oil companies. So there is a little bit of value here with Shell. I own them. They've, been bringing back the dividend since they cut / reduced it back in 2020. They've brought it back essentially on an average of 35% per year from 2020 to 2023.
I like it. And the one thing about Shell that I like to note too is where the world's heading with people looking at renewable energy. Shell is also on the forefront of those investments too. So they're not just waiting for time to pass by and living in the past. They are actively looking to diversify and stop the exposure from just the one stream of oil. They want to be the oil company for the next 100, 200 plus years. That's why you love a company like Shell.
Yeah, they want to be your energy go-to here. So 31% payout ratio, kind of like around an 8 PE ratio, again, yielding over 4%. So kind of like the punch that it bangs into your portfolio, but the payout ratio is low enough that they could still increase that dividend, probably at a double-digit rate for the next few years. So that's why Shell is on my eyes this week.
Love it. Let me take a look here. Mine is Archer Daniels Midland, ticker symbol ADM. This has been a staple of our portfolio, the almost Dividend King. Dividend King's a company that's increased for 50 years. Archer Daniel Midlands has increased for 48. They are down 15% year to date. They are down 18% over the last 52 weeks. They beat analyst expectations for earnings, for revenue back in October, but they were lower than the previous year. So revenue is down. There are some potential tailwinds coming for ADM if inflation's coming down. They're doing a lot to diversify. And we're going to talk a little bit more about them in a video later in this week. So I don't want to get too much into this, but just know in that last earnings release, they increased their earnings per share guidance to over $7 per share. They said it's been a very, very strong year for ADM.
Yeah, I mean, again, a low PE at 10, low payout ratio below 25%, just about to be a dividend king. Historically, the dividend growth rate is strong. Bert, I like where your head is at here.
Yeah, so those are the two companies. We're talking Shell, we're talking ADM, Archer Daniels Midland. Let us know what are your top stock picks of the week. And let us know if you like this segment or what else you want us to talk about potentially. If you want us to expand it to ETFs, other types of companies, let us know in that comment section down there below.
Yeah, guys, like the video, subscribe to our channel. Let's make this week count. Keep putting the money to work. Save, invest, repeat. Let's go. That was the Dividend Diplomats. Any other parting words, Bert?
You're either with us or you're against us, Jack.
That was Bert and Lanny from the Dividend Diplomats. Over and out.